He said that his own name is Ndoka, but he's not Igbo. Good day, my people. You all are welcome. This man that you are just seeing on your screen right here is from Ika land, Agbor precisely. He is speaking against Igbo unification, saying that Igbo unification is an expansionist agenda to claim the land of other people. He said that the Igbo unification movement are trying to claim Aboh to take over Ika land. He said that we are expansionists. He started saying those things immediately after we went to Ogwaika. Ogwaika is an annual meeting that is being organized by Onuika organization. Onuika organization is an organization in Ika land that oversees the affairs of Ika people. The Ogwaika meeting just took place some days ago. With the Igbo unification movement, we went there to identify with them. We got there and we saw our Igbanke brothers there. We saw Igbanke kings, we saw Igbanke people, we also saw other Ika people that we know. So this Ika man saw the video and he became furious. He was angry, saying, "What are we doing there? Why are we saying that Ika people are Igbo people?" After the man saw our video, he made a video and started asking, when did Aboh become Igbo? This young man is addressing the entire Ika people as Aboh. The entire Ika people are not Aboh. Aboh is just a single community in Ika land. Kwale is a single community in Okwane land. I can't be calling the entire Okwane Kwale. It's wrong. So this boy is saying that the entire Ika people are Aboh people. Is very wrong. That is also an expansionist agenda. I go they call our people Aboh people. I go they call Akumaze people Aboh people. They are not Aboh people. Aboh is a separate community with their own king. Akumaze is a separate community with their own king. Igbo is a separate Ika community with their own king. He said, when did they start identifying as Igbos? He started saying that Aboh people are not Igbo people. The Obi of Owa, Obi Ofe Zomo, Obi Anyegadigide, he said, Obi Ofe Zomo, during an interview when we interviewed him, he said that our kingdom was founded by Nri people. He said that the founders of our kingdom, his own kingdom in Ika land, migrated from Nri kingdom in Anambra State. Who is this boy, or who is that historian from Ika land to tell the Obi of Owa that the Obi of Owa is not an Igbo man? There are so many communities in the southeast that are called Owa. If you go to Enugu State, you will see communities called Owa. And someone is here saying that Ika people are not Igbo people. If you watch the video, you go see say this guy really cry for the video. The thing pain now. If to say you watch the video where this guy they talk, you go carry hanky. They clean your screen because in tears they flow come out for screen. The guy cry. So many Ika people trace their ancestry to the southeast. So many southeast communities trace their ancestry to Ika land. Communities like Akumaze, is Akumaze not an Igbo word? Is Akumaze not an Igbo name? What is the meaning of Akumaze? Wealth of Maze. Akumaze is a community in Ika land. They are Igbo people. Ogele ruled Aboh with Eze title. He is the first Eze of Aboh kingdom. Ogele ruled Aboh with Ofo. Ogele ruled Aboh with the 4 market days. According to A.E. Idwe, a well-respected historian from Aboh kingdom, he said that Aboh people are Igbo people. Up till date, nobody from Aboh don't feel challenger. Because he said the facts. Aboh people know that A.E. Idwe was right. He gave details of how Aboh people settled there. The language of Aboh people, that community called Aboh, have always been Igbo. Now that Igbo where they speak today and they speak since their history. And this boy is trying to separate Ika people from the Igbo race, saying that Ika people are not Igbo people. He said that bringing in Igbanke people in Ogwa Ika is causing problems for them. He's saying that why will Igbanke people be identifying with Ika people again? He said, why will Igbanke people come to honor Ika? The way Igbanke people are harmonizing with the Igbo race is paining this guy. Imagine they tell Ogwa Ika, they tell them, say, why will they accept Igbanke people in their gathering? Are Igbanke people no longer Ika people? Are Igbanke people no longer their brothers? Why you go tell them, say, why they go accept Igbanke people for Ogwa Ika? He said that the Igbo unification movement is an expansionist agenda. He said that we are expansionists. So, person they unite with him brothers where they speak the same language with them. Now that thing they call expansionist agenda. So, if Igala people where they Kogi State come they unite with Ebu people where they for Anioma, that one is expansionist agenda. So, if Yoruba people come they unite with their Isekiri brothers, that one now expansionist agenda. Look at Anioma, look at Southeast. We speak the same language with different dialects. We understand each other. Southeast, they come. They thought, say, we be one people. We too, they embrace them. These ones, when not get sense, come online, they talk, say, it's an expansionist agenda. The Igbo unification movement is brotherly love. It's Obi-Wan. That's why no matter the insult, no matter the dragging, no matter anything, we keep telling you people that we are one people, that we are all Igbo people. He said that we Igbos are laying claims to everything. He said that Igbos laid claim to Nsibidi that belongs to Calabar and Akwa Ibom people. Nsibidi was established by the Ejaban people in all those cross river Akwa Ibom side. The Igbos were there with them. All of them, the organization were formed that thing. That was how we Igbos started using that in CBD. We are not claiming it that we own it or only we get them. No. I don't know what people mean by that they claim everything. What do you mean by claiming everything? Tell us one thing for Nigeria where not be Igbo people own, where Igbos don't claim. These are the propaganda that they spread up and down. And person one of the big research watch this guy, they talk all those rubbish now. The person go believe him. Igbos are claiming anything. Did Igbos claim anything in Ika land? Igbo man don't come Ika land, follow any Ika person, they drag land. Igbos are claiming everything, trying to prove a point. He said that his own name is Ndoka, but he's not Igbo. He said Igbo people bear English names, but they don't identify as English people. If your name is Ndoka, which people in Nigeria bear Ndoka? Is Igbo people. No matter the region that you find yourself in Nigeria, once your name is Ndoka, you be Igbo person. It's either you bear that name because you have an Igbo parent. If Urobo man marry Urobo woman now, they born Pikin, the papa can name that Pikin Ndoka. If anybody see that Pikin and ask him, your name is Ndoka, you are Igbo, you go say yes, my father is an Igbo man. If to say the papa of that Pikin now Urobo, say mama na Okwane, if mama can't give the Pikin Ndoka. If person asks that Pikin, your name is Ndoka, you are Igbo, the boy go say yes, I am Igbo maternally. My mama na Igbo, my papa na Urobo. So now, how did this boy get that his name Ndoka? Now people from Southeast can't give him the name Ndoka. If you ask them what is Ndoka, they will tell you that Ndoka is an Ika name. Ndoka is an Ika name. That Ndoka is an Igbo name because Ika is Igbo. We Ukwan people, we be Ndoka. Oshimila Danyocha, they be Ndoka. Igwere people, they be Ndoka. All over Igbo land, they be Ndoka. Anywhere where you hear Ndoka for the entire Nigeria, na Igbo person that they talk about. Ndoka na Igbo name. The day of Aboh is called Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu is an indigenous name in that Ika land. People bear Ikechukwu all over Igbo land. And you say you are not Igbo. Buhari said that Emefiele, the CBN governor then, is an Igbo man. You not be Igbo person, you be Ndoka. Your both parents are from Eka, yet your name is Ndoka. Did your parents go to the southeast to collect the name and give to you? All over Eka land, they bear Igbo names. Now Igbo names be their names. Igbo name everywhere. Their language is Igbo. People that use Ofo, people that use the 4 market days, people that use Unzu and Kola nuts to serve cola. Everything about these people is Igbo. Now this one come on and they say Ika people is not Igbo. Which day Ika people be Igbo? A child that was born into identity crisis, he don't take and grow. Now make they talk all this rubbish. It's not easy for someone to give up the lies that he believed from childhood. Person will be saying a lie, he take grow. No amount of truth where you go tell him, make he give up on that lie. Follow that truth where you tell him. Now we getting the warrior these people where they suffer from identity crisis. You dey be Igbo name, you say you not be Igbo. Your both parents are from Igbo speaking communities. You said you are not Igbo. Even when your name is Ndoka, you say you are not Igbo. He said that Onoyinka is now working with Igbanke kings who left Agbor and made friends with Bini, and now they have issues with the Aboh of Bini. They are now running back to Agbor. Igbanke kings had an issue with the Obi of Agbor then. That issue, they too serious. They got to say if they dey under Agbor division that time, say the marginalization not go end because the kind of insult where the Obi of Aboh then give to Igbanke kings is not good for ear. It's very insulting. That event, they very bad. So all this is gonna make Igbanke kings come join Benin division. The reason why they go that place now to escape insult where the Obi of Aboh they give them. All these things happen during colonial era. If you dey treat your brother badly, that your brother go leave you, go they identify with outside person. If you dey family where we say the entire family not like you, you go where they say you will get peace. Now wetin Igbanke people do. Igbanke people escape insult, not me say they not be Ika people. Now the Aboh of Bini, they marginalize Igbanke people. They come back to their Ika brothers. Thought say they won't join Anioma state, maybe they coexist with their Ika brothers. After all, we know that the past again where the Obi of Aboh that time they marginalized them. They want to join their Ika brothers to be in Anioma state. Now this mumu they fight, so they tell say why will Onoyinka accept Igbanke people back to Onoyinka? This guy is an Ozwai. You not get sense. You not get sense. Even up till now, he still dey push Igbanke people away. You are pushing them away because they accepted their Igbo identity. Enemy of progress. Your own brothers, you are not even happy that they are coming back to identify with Ika people to join Anioma state. That will not be your problem. The only way they pay you now because say Igbanke people talk say they be Igbo people. When the kings of Igbanke were suspended by the Aboh of Bini, did you make any speech? Did you make any video telling the Aboh of Bini to leave Igbanke people alone? So because Igbanke people leave Agbor division, can't join Benin division in the past. So anything what about Benin do, they made a can't take. You don't have brothers love. You will hope you one day Ozwai. This boy is an Ozwai. He's not happy that Igbanke people are being liberated from the hands of the Aboh of Bini. That time that the Aboh of Bini suspended Igbanke kings, how many Ika people made videos countering the Aboh of Bini? If not be the Igbo unification movement will come out for Igbanke people, Aboh of Bini for don't swallow Igbanke people. How many people from Agbor defend Igbanke people? How many people from Owa defend Igbanke people? They were all quiet. All the kings in the Ika land were quiet. Now the Igbo unification movement, we take our platform, they defend Igbanke people, they speak up for them. He said that Onoyinka should publicly deny Igbo. If Onoyinka like made the denial from now to the old, Ika people remain Igbo. Obako Ikwere are they denying that they are not Igbos, yet the world are telling them that they are Igbo people. So many Ikwere people are telling Obako Ikwere organization that they Ikwere people are Igbo people. Ndokwa Neku organization for Okwane land, they talk say Okwane people not be Igbo. We, they tell them, we will be Okwane people, they tell them say we Okwane people are Igbo people. Onoyinka they talk say Ika people not be Igbo. So many Ika people they talk say Ika people are Igbo people. Igbo unification movement can never be stopped. You will try, but you will always fail. This guy, if you watch this video, this guy cry. Ipena. See, Anioma State is going to the southeast. Whether you like it or not, Igbos must unite. This unity is the major thing that is affecting we Igbos in this country called Nigeria. Ika people they talk go this side, Okwa they talk go this side, Anyocha and the Oshimiri they talk go this side, Ukwe they talk go this side. No unity. People that speak the same language, no unity. If one week like maybe they thought they not be Igbo, they are just wasting their time. The entire country see Ika people as Igbo people. Who are they to deny it? He said that did Oshimiri and Anyocha people test in a tornado if they are Igbos? That if they did, let them go with it. No be person go tell you say Oshimiri and Anyocha people are Igbo people. They are Igbo people. Their name Oshimiri and Anyocha are Igbo names. Their language is Igbo. You Ika people are Igbo people. Those of you denying it, you are just wasting your time. You go deny it. I wanna go deny it. Senator Ned is doing the right thing. Any Anioma person that is against Senator Ned Nwoko for trying to actualize Anioma State and so not to start is for us to coexist with our brothers. Any Anioma person that is against it is an ozwai. Oye we de neka bo amalishi we ne na yeka. Ife wa kwa no kwanebo anu amalogo. He said that they don't wear red cap in Aboh, and at the den of Aboh have made it clear that Aboh is not Igbo. You wear red cap, oh, you not wear red cap, oh, you be Igbo person, be say you be Igbo person. In Ukwane, what we mostly wear is hats. We are Igbo people. In Ukwane, what we tie is wrapper. Our waist like this, we go tie long wrapper. Wear lace. Carry long wrapper. Put for shoulder like this. Come down. That is Ukwane dressing. We are Igbo people. We still wear red cap. Isiago is not the only Igbo attire out there. We are Anioma people. We they wear white and white throughout. We are Igbo people. White and white and Igbo dressing. The way Ukwane people they dress na Igbo dressing. If you like, maybe say for una region, I know they wear cap. Una be Igbo people. You Ika people, you have obese king in Ika land. In Ukwane, we don't have kings. What we have is Okpaluku. So because when I get king, we and Ona not gonna be brothers. Because this kind of senseless people go they tell people say Ika and Ukwane are not brothers. Who not get sense? As it be mumu for just common sense to know say Ika people na Igbo. As in stupidity not allow no say these people na Igbo people. In stupidity go still tell and say Ukwane and they cannot be brothers. The same way our dialects varies is the same way our culture and tradition varies. So because on another wear red cap, that one na evidence say you Ika people are not Igbos. This boy not to get sense. Red cap or no red cap, Ika people are Igbo people. This is why we say Ika chiefs and their kings, they dress like Bini people. Does it make them Bini people? No. They dress like Bini people, but they are not Bini people. There's nothing Bini in Ika land. Now just that they are dressing. He asked Agbor people, have any of their ancestors told them that they are from the southeast? So many Ika communities migrated from the southeast. But because of politics and identity crisis, some of them go tell you say, they're not connected to the southeast, they are just on their own. Our kingdom, the Obi of our, said that they our people migrated from Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. So I don't answer your question. Ika people have connection with the southeast 100%. The same way so many Ika people migrated from the southeast is the same way so many southeast communities migrated from Ika land. Ayin Chabu for Sani Buwene. Must you migrate from the southeast before you identify as an Igbo person? Southeast is not Igbo ancestry. The four corners of Igbo land is Igbo ancestry. So if you talk say your ancestor now from this place, so far as your ancestors are Igbo, you are Igbo. As far as your ancestors bear Igbo names, their language is Igbo, everything about them is Igbo. You are Igbo. You must not migrate from Anambra State before you identify as Igbo. You must not migrate from Imo State before you identify as Igbo. Oguta people in Imo State, they migrated from Ukwane here. They call us say they not be Igbo because of say they don't migrate from South. Say their ancestors now Ukwane. Ukwane land that they migrated from is an Igbo speaking region. We are Igbo people. So they are Igbos in their new location because they still speak that Igbo language there. He said that Onueka should disassociate themselves from Igbanke people. He looked unkempt. You know, see as he be. You know, be like human being. Be like rat wey grow dada. Make Onueka disassociate themselves from Igbanke people. Also why? Igbanke people, your brothers, now they talk this rubbish. Your own Ika brothers, you are turning your back against them because they accepted their Igbo identity. You are turning your back against them because the Igbo unification movement came to honor Ika gathering. Ozwai. Igbo Bofu, I will never allow this senseless set of people to divide us. Ishiagware.